Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on Nintendo Switch. Unfortunately, BeamNG Drive is a highly demanding game, exclusively designed for powerful personal computers. Its advanced soft-body physics engine requires significant processing power and memory that the Nintendo Switch hardware simply cannot provide. Therefore, directly playing BeamNG Drive on your Nintendo Switch console is not possible at this time. The game's intricate simulations are far too complex for the console's specifications. The core reason BeamNG Drive isn't on Switch lies in its incredibly detailed soft-body physics. This engine needs a powerful central processing unit and graphics processing unit to calculate real-time deformation of every vehicle. The Nintendo Switch, while a fantastic console, simply doesn't possess the raw computational power of a high-end gaming personal computer. Its custom NVIDIA Tegra X1 chip, designed for portability, cannot handle the game's intensive calculations. While direct play isn't an option, some might wonder about cloud gaming. Theoretically, a cloud service could stream the game to your Switch, but there are no official plans for BeamNG Drive to support this on the console. For now, the only way to truly experience BeamNG Drive is on a capable gaming personal computer. However, the Nintendo Switch does offer many other excellent driving and simulation games that you can enjoy natively. In summary, BeamNG Drive remains a personal computer exclusive because its groundbreaking physics engine requires significant hardware resources. The Nintendo Switch, with its portable design, simply isn't built to handle such demanding simulations natively. While the future of gaming is always evolving, there are no current indications of a Switch port or official cloud streaming support. We recommend exploring the many other fantastic driving games available directly on your Nintendo Switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.